Hello, my fellow disputers. Listen, if you are a credit restoration company or a dispute master or trying to restore your own credit score, then this video is for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over what is a custom dispute reason and what are some default dispute reasons. And then I'm going to show you how the client dispute manager automates your custom dispute reasons. And then this is going to save you a tremendous amount of time when it comes to you preparing disputes for yourself and also for your customers, because it's going to allow you to auto save all of your dispute reasons every single time you enter them into the system. And then now you don't have to repeat this anytime you go to prepare a dispute reason for yourself or your client. Now, the number one question is, well, what is a dispute reason? Well, a dispute reason is basically a reason that you're giving the credit bureau pertaining to your dispute. Why are you disputing this particular account, right? So that is your dispute reason. What is wrong with this account? Why are you doing this? So you're telling the credit bureau something. Hey, this account is inaccurate. Hey, this account is not mine. Hey, the balance on this account is wrong. So you're giving them a dispute reason on why a particular inaccurate account is inaccurate. Now, whenever you use the client dispute manager software, we have what we call default dispute reasons. And I'm going to show you that right now. You have default dispute reasons, and then you have custom reasons. Now, say for example, you don't like to use, or you don't want to use a default dispute reason inside of the software. So from that point forward, you can type and create a custom dispute reason based on your particular situation or based on your customer's credit report. And now before we added this automation inside of the client dispute manager, you would have to literally retype these custom dispute reasons every single time. Yes, or you would have to copy and paste them from a text file and bring them over into the software. So we listen to our customers, we listen to you, and now we've automated the custom dispute reason process. So now every time you type a custom dispute reason, the software will automatically save that dispute reason. That way, when you come back and dispute for a different customer, you don't have to retype that dispute reason for that particular customer, because once you turn on auto save, it'll automatically save your custom dispute reason. Now, why would you use a custom dispute reason? You would use it if you want to go into more detail and explain to the credit bureaus a little bit more detail on why a particular account is inaccurate, right? Instead of using the default dispute reasons, you want to probably go into more detail on why a particular account is inaccurate. And that's where or why you would use a custom dispute reason. I'm going to give you some examples of a default, a simple one-word dispute reason and a customized detailed dispute reason. Now, for better results in restoring your own credit or helping someone else restore their credit, you definitely don't want to use a single word dispute reason, okay? You always want to tell the credit bureau more. You want to give them more information about why a particular account is inaccurate. Now, you can use the single word dispute reason if you want, but I've seen in the past that by typing out long, justified, custom dispute reasons tend to do better with the credit bureau. So now, let's dive into the client dispute manager software right now, and let's take a look at the default reasons that we have. And then I'm going to show you this new feature we have, the auto save of custom reasons. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm already logged into the software, as you can see, and I'm going to go right to dispute manager, and let's go here, dispute manager, and I already have a customer ready here, Avinash. So what I'm going to do is go to the credit bureaus, and as you can see, we don't have any disputes right here in the grid. So I'm going to pick a general letter over here. Let's go with dispute letter 1. And then this is our first one, Bank of America. And as you can see, these are what we call general reasons. These are default dispute reasons. Remember, I was telling you about the single word reasons right here. And we have a little bit longer reasons right here as well. These are specialized reasons for different things. Like if you're disputing an authorized user, you can use some of these dispute reasons. If you're disputing a bankruptcy, you can use some of these. If you are disputing charge-offs, you can use some of these. Collection accounts, you can use some of these. Duplicate accounts. So these are pretty much organized in fashion depending on what's inaccurate on your credit report. These are inquiries pertaining to particular inaccurate accounts, okay? So say, for example, for this one, Bank of America, I want to use a custom dispute reason. So I'm going to go ahead and click on custom here. And I'm going to say, this account is not mine. I never saw this account on my credit report. Why is it here? So this is what we call a long custom dispute reason. This is a long custom dispute reason where you tell more detail about a particular account on why that account is inaccurate. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on autosave. So this is it right here. We're going to click save. Autosave custom reason has been turned on. So now every time I add a custom dispute reason into the software, it will automatically save it for you. You don't have to repeat this, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on add your dispute. All right, as you can see, it added my dispute here. And if you want to see the full, if you want to see what this full dispute reason is, you can just click on it, click right there. Or you should be able to hover right there. Okay, there we go. It was almost there. There you go. This account is not mine. So that'll show you the full dispute reason right there, okay? So now what we're going to do is let's put in another dispute reason, because now we're at the next one, better one. Please fix this account as it's damaging, hurting my score, and it's causing me pain. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, let's go to one more dispute reason. Another one. This is Chase. I paid off this account last month. Why is it still reporting as it's paid already? You see, this is a longer dispute reason. This is what I was telling you guys before. Let's hit enter, and let's do one more with Midland. I never had a collection account with your company. Why are you reporting this on my credit report? Okay, enter. So now what I want to do, I have 4 disputes right here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how the software automatically saves all of these dispute reasons so you can go back and use them again. Okay, so let's go ahead and check that out right now. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on cancel dispute reason, and as you can see right here, here's your custom reasons. These are all of the custom reasons I just typed, and these are your default reasons as well. Okay, and if you hover right here, it'll show you the full custom reason, as you can see. You see that? So this is autosave. So once you turn autosave on, it'll automatically save all of your dispute reasons for you. And not only will it save the dispute reasons in the credit bureau, you can also access them on the creditor screen right here, as you can see. They're all here. Collector screen, they're all here. And also the response screen, your dispute reasons is here as well. All right, so this is a very powerful feature, and not only that, it's going to save you a tremendous amount of time. And over time, you guys are going to have hundreds of custom dispute reasons in the software in your account where you never have to retype again. This is going to save you a tremendous amount of time just with this one function alone. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Client Dispute Manager software. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next side.